So, SuperFloaty Body Float is basically marketed as a way to help you relax, unwind, and experience that weightless feeling without needing a traditional float tank. The concept sounds interesting, but there are a few things I'd keep in mind. The biggest thing is expectations. Floating can be a relaxing experience, but claims about dramatically improving sleep, stress, or overall health shouldn't automatically be taken as guarantees. Everyone can respond differently. I'd also look at the actual design, weight capacity, setup requirements, durability, and how much space you need. Something marketed as portable or convenient isn't necessarily going to be effortless to use or store. So, is SuperFloaty Body Float worth it? If you're mainly looking for a relaxation product and like the idea of floating at home, it could be interesting. But I'd check independent reviews and the return policy before spending your money. Overall, I'd treat it as a relaxation experience rather than a miracle wellness product. The marketing may sound impressive, but the real question is whether it fits your space, budget, and expectations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.